Hey, what is up, people? I know there isn't the purple background on this episode. I decided we'll try something new this time, so I'm just going to go with a clean white look as I'm looking at the viewfinder thing right now. Anyways, this is a short sort of trailer video just announcing the new thing that's added to the podcast called The Creative Hustle. Now, if you know how my podcast works, it's where you have one name, the AKJK audio show, and then in that name you have several subcategories of the podcast. Right now I have JK Tech News, which happens every single week. I'm hoping to keep that consistent. If you want to see the last episode, check it out. Came out yesterday on my YouTube channel and on every podcasting app. Along with having AKJK Rules, which is a short sort of podcast where I review films and talk about tech. Mostly I do the film stuff in 3 minutes, something like that. I also have the kind of repurposed where I take a YouTube video and just put the audio on a podcast. So all that stuff is subcategories of the AKAJK audio show. So now we are introducing The Creative Hustle, which is one of the major ones. It's going to be an hour-long podcast every single week. Should be on a Sunday. So this is basically the first kind of episode, but it's acting as a kind of a trailer kind of thing. So next week we should have a proper episode. I did promise there will be an episode where I rank all of the films I watched in 2018. I want to start that thing where at the end of each year start ranking films. So I might discuss some of the most hyped films, films that I hate, new sort of film theories, trailer reviews discussing. There should be hopefully other people with me on the show. This is just a short, quick introduction to this podcast that I'm going to be adding to the AKJK audio show. So if you're interested, make sure to smash the like button on this video. I know it's not as hyped or I'm not as, energetic. It's because I'm really focused on how to get away with murder. It's a great show. When it's done, definitely review it on the podcast. Anyways, I'm going to end it here. Just a quick, short sort of introduction announcement to The Creative Hustle. Hopefully, I'll see you on another episode or another video because I do post 2 videos a day here at AKJK. Or if you're listening to this on, the AKJK audio show, I post 1 podcast episode every single day. Thank you very much, and you guys have been amazing on this episode. I'll see you, later on. This was going to be a back-to-back like this, and then 10 minutes later there's going to be another video because of some issues that went down today. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll catch you later tonight because here at AKJK, the grind is daily.